Hey guys, I'm a little late in the build with filming this video, but here it is. My 1969 Honda Z50 Mini Trail that I am building for the Pryme 2022 Broke to Built Bike Build Contest. I bought this bike in late 2020 and immediately installed a set of handlebars, throttle, and brake controls, as all of those were missing. I also replaced the faulty 6-volt ignition coil and cleaned the carburetor to get it running. It seemed to run quite well, but it leaked and burned a ton of oil. Finally, just recently, after slowly accumulating the rest of the parts that I need for this restoration, I got around to stripping this down, which is where you see it at now. The strip down was all done on the night of November 20th. I'll place a link to that video in the top right corner and in the description below. Since tearing it down, I've had my dad sandblast the frame as it won't fit in the blast cabinet over there. I've also been slowly running a few of the smaller parts through this vibratory tumbler to clean and polish them. I have also just started learning how to electroplate and have nickel plated the air filter housing here. I'll be releasing a few status update videos along the way with the goal to have this bike reassembled and looking brand new by the spring of 2022, certainly in time for the April 30th deadline of the Broke to Built Bike Contest. I'll be releasing a few status update videos along the way with the goal to have the bike reassembled and looking brand new again by the spring 2022. Certainly in time for the April 30th Broke to Built contest deadline. If you are seeing this video as you are already one of my subscribers, please check out the Pryme website, also linked below in the description of this video, and be sure to place your vote once the poll is open. Thanks for watching, guys.